if you're watching this on New Year's Day, happy New Year's. I was just reflecting on like my whole fitness journey, and I was remembering that it was 2019 going into 2020. I had gone to New York with one of my friends, and we just spent like New Year's Eve writing down crazy goals, and my goal was to be a fitness influencer. And it's just so crazy that 5 years later, this is exactly what I'm doing, and I love it so much. So I hope you guys are writing down your goals, your fitness goals, and whatever other goals you have in life. But today we are going to be doing a beginner-friendly workout. And this is for anyone that's starting their fitness journey, trying to build muscle, or that's restarting their fitness journey. We have 2 sets. The first set is going to be using dumbbells, and it's going to be all standing. So we're going to be working our legs, our arms, and our shoulders. And then our second set is going to be all mat work. So that's usually abs and core strength. A little bit of stretching at the end too to cool things down. But it's only 13 minutes long, so super short. If you want to challenge, go through twice. If not, just go through one time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you did this workout. But when you're ready, grab a towel, some water, and let's get started.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take back sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum. Throw it back then rotation, flicker wrist and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not stay creep but they are guilty. And why? So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it for me.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love. this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story. Let's pretend that it was glorious. Cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world, yeah, that's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine for me? Let's pretend that it's a dream life. Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all good vibes for once. Let's pretend that it's a safe place. Let's pretend that it's a safe haven while the outside world just keeps fading. Oh, cause that's where I do my best work. That's where I see my real worth. In fiction you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary